In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extensions to Brave browser. Extensions can supercharge Brave with new features, and the good news is that Brave is built on Chromium, so it supports most Chrome Web Store extensions. Start by opening your Brave browser. Give it a second to load to your start page or any tab that's already open. Next, move your cursor to the top right corner of the window and click the three horizontal lines. This opens Brave's main menu. If your window is very narrow and you don't see the lines, maximize the window or look for the menu icon near the address bar. With the menu open, hover your mouse over Extensions. Don't click yet, just pause your cursor there. A small side menu appears. From that side menu, click Visit Web Store. Brave will open the Chrome Web Store in a new tab, which is the official marketplace for installing extensions that work in Brave. On the Web Store page, browse or search for the tool you want. When you find the extension you want to add, click its card to open the details page. Take a moment to read the description, check recent reviews, look at the last updated date, and review the permissions section so you understand what access the extension needs. Choosing well-maintained extensions helps keep your browser stable and secure. On the extension page, click Add to Brave. A small permission prompt from Brave will pop up. This is normal, and it's your chance to confirm you're comfortable with what the extension can do. To finish, click Add Extension in that prompt. Brave will download and install it in a moment. You'll see a brief confirmation, and an icon for the extension may appear to the right of the address bar. If you don't see it, click the puzzle piece icon to find it and optionally pin it so it stays visible. Some extensions open a welcome page or ask you to sign in to unlock features. That's expected, and you can follow the on-screen prompts. Brave will also keep extensions updated automatically in the background. That's all you need to install an extension. As a quick tip, try to keep only the extensions you actively use, since too many can slow things down. You can manage, disable, or remove extensions later from Brave's extensions page through the same menu you used a moment ago. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps anytime you want to enhance Brave with new capabilities, and you'll be set up in just a couple of clicks.